Welcome to another Tenergy video, where we talk about all things power. Today we'll cover Tenergy's new T600, which is a 600 watt-hour portable power station. I'm going to cover some tips and tricks to help you maintain it and use it to its best potential. Let's get started. The T600 portable power station comes with a car charger, an AC outlet wall adapter, and a manual. When you first receive it, we recommend fully recharging the power station to 100% as soon as you can. Tenergy's T600 uses lithium iron phosphate cells. This unit has up to 2,000 life cycle, and that's 4 to 6 times longer than typical lithium iron portable power stations. Here's an extra tip. For lithium iron phosphate batteries, if you limit discharging it all the way, you can get even more life cycles out of it. In other words, the less depth of discharge, the more life cycles you'll get. Depth of discharge just means how empty the battery is compared to its capacity before recharging. For example, if the battery has 20% power left, then the depth of discharge is 80%. The T600 unit has a total of 10 ports. 2 AC ports, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, 1 car port, 2 DC barrels, and 1 input port. The DC button controls the power of these DC ports, which has the word DC label above them located here. AC button controls these AC ports, so when you want to use any of these ports, press the respective button to turn power on. For example, let's say I want to recharge this laptop with this AC charger. All I need to do is plug in this to one of the AC ports and then press the AC button to turn the ports on. You can see that the laptop is charging now after I press the AC power button. An exception to this is the USB-C 100 watt port, which has a wake up feature. This means you don't need to press the DC button to turn on the DC power to this USB-C port. Just plug something in and it should turn on itself. There are multiple ways to recharge the unit, including using the AC adapter that comes with the unit, a USB-C charging cable, a solar panel, or a car charger. Please check out this related video to learn more details about how to recharge the T600 power station. Let's explore some of the LCD basics. Press the display button to turn on and or off the LCD screen. This action won't affect other functions, it just controls the display. On the screen, you can see that the power status, including the power level in percentages and in the battery icon, and the total output wattage, which is the sum of all power that is being drawn from the unit. When recharging, the total input wattage will be shown here. Other warnings will be shown as an icon here in this corner. If you see a char bat icon, the battery level is low. When you see this, recharge it and the icon will disappear. If you see a DC exclamation point icon, which means the power that is being drawn out from the DC port is more than the unit can supply, or there is a short circuit. To fix this, unplug those applications and press the DC power buttons off and then on again to reset it. If you see AC exclamation point icon, this is similar to the DC exclamation point icon, except this time the icon will appear when the AC ports are overloaded. That means that the unit detects one or more application that's drawing more than 500 watts. Unplug those applications and press the AC power buttons off and then on again to reset it. When this temperature icon appears, it means that the power station is overheating. This can be caused by various reasons, including the outdoor temperature being too high, too many devices are drawing power, and so on. You can do the following to cool the unit off. First, unplug all the devices that's drawing power from the power station. If you're recharging it, please unplug that cable as well, since the charging process can also produce heat. Then, move the unit to a cool, shady location and allow it some time to cool down before trying to use it again. Now, let's move on to this LED button, which controls the LED that's built into the side of the T600 here. This light has 3 features, including 2 brightness levels and an SOS signal. Press it once to turn on the light at 100% brightness, which is about 400 lumens. Press it again to set the light to 50% brightness. Press and hold it to turn on the SOS signal. Press it once more to turn the light off. The T600 also has an auto turn off function to save energy and prolong the battery life. It's activated by default. The unit will automatically turn off if the load of the AC application that is being drawn for around or less than 3 watts for 10 hours. This is a power saving feature, but you might not want this if you're powering a fridge or cooler, which doesn't need as much power. You can manually override this function by pressing and holding both the DC and AC buttons for 3 seconds. The unit will make 2 short beeps to let you know that the auto off feature has been disabled. To reactivate the auto off feature, you can either press and hold these 2 buttons again until you hear one long beep sound, or turn the unit off and then on again. Keep in mind that the auto off function will automatically activate when the unit is turned off and then on again, regardless of the previous settings. Here are some extra tips to maintain the unit. Recharge it immediately after each of your adventure to prevent the battery level from reaching 0% or becoming overdrained. As I mentioned earlier, you can get more life cycles out of the unit if you don't discharge it completely before recharging it. If you're going to store the power station, don't store it at a low power. Recharge it to at least 50% and then place it in a cool, dry location. We also recommend checking its power level frequently and fully recharging it every 3 to 6 months. This way you can ensure the power station is ready to use with some power when you might need it. Whether you use the unit indoors or outdoors, avoid placing it under direct sunlight or hot surfaces to prevent it from overheating or damaging the battery. It's best to place it in a cool, dry, and shady location. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the Tenergy T600 portable power station in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you wish to see more content like this. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.